This video will show you the various options you have in the Zype platform to import or upload content. At the end of this video, you'll be able to choose the path that works best for you and start adding your content. Let's jump in. One of the first things you'll want to do is add video content to the Zype platform. Click on the Import and Upload link from the left navigation to see your import and upload options. At left, you'll see a few options to import content from third-party sources, like YouTube, Vimeo Pro, or self-hosted. You might even have an MRSS feed to ingest content. Importing from YouTube and Vimeo Pro are most common. Selecting a single video from your library will allow you to see your video stream sources. Zype supports multi-bitrate streaming and properly sets your transcode settings to ensure optimal stream quality in delivering content to your users. Returning to import and upload, if you import from YouTube, you'll first want to connect your YouTube account to ensure that content is available on web as well as OTT endpoints. If you do not authenticate your YouTube account, but instead import individual YouTube videos, you will not be able to render these videos through the Zype player, and therefore you will not be able to display them on anything outside a web page. So if you want your content to show on applications at any point, you'll want to connect to your YouTube account. Once you've authenticated, this will allow Zype to pull over your existing YouTube content and begin the transcode process. Zype will automatically pull over and transcode any new videos added to your YouTube account on a nightly basis. If you need the content sooner, you can trigger a manual sync. One thing to watch out for when importing from an authenticated YouTube account is that all files are subject to transcoding fees. If you import 10 hours of video content, you will incur 10 hours of transcoding. Check your Zype plan to see what your transcode hour allotment and fees are. If you import from Vimeo Pro, you can avoid any worry of transcode fees because Zype can pull the Vimeo Pro content over directly without any transcoding. This means you can pull over unlimited content into the platform without having to track the total hours of your library of content. Zype will automatically pull over any new videos added to your Vimeo Pro account on a nightly basis. If you need the content sooner, you can trigger a manual sync. Zype also allows video from an MRSS feed to be imported into your video library. The most time-consuming part of importing with a feed is configuring it for import. Zype has specifications on feed format that you can check out in our Help Center. Your MRSS feed content is pulled over to Zype on a nightly basis, but you can also set your sync for every 2 hours. If you need the content sooner, you can trigger a manual sync. For all import options, if your content has metadata associated prior to the import, this metadata can be pulled into the Zype platform. Keep in mind, any metadata added to your third-party source after your initial sync to Zype will not pull over automatically. In these cases, you can manually add metadata on the video level in the video details page. We mentioned triggering a manual sync for all the import options. Triggering a manual sync can be done from your toolbar under the settings icon within video sources. Returning to import and upload, at right, you'll see the option to upload from local storage. The benefit to uploading local files is that you won't need to load your files onto another source before pulling them into Zype. So long as they adhere to our supported file formats, you can add freely to the platform with no need for another source. One thing to watch out for with local file uploads is that they are also subject to transcoding fees. Again, you should check your plan to see where your transcode allotment and fees are.